Welcome students and viewers, you are watching 5MTV. In this lecture you will understand the introduction, evolution and development of television in Pakistan. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe and share it and suggest me future tutorials and lectures. Let's begin the video. Pakistan Television Corporation, PTV, is the Pakistan state-owned television broadcaster, founded on November 26, 1964. 1967 Two production studios added at Rawalpindi and Karachi. 1973 National Microwave Network commissioned linking TV centers. 1974 Kuwata/Peshawar centers commissioned. 1976 color transmission started. 1987 Federal TV Center at Islamabad commissioned. 1992 Second TV channel for education commissioned. 1 TV station at Islamabad. And 16 rebroadcast stations. 1996 local area transmission from 4 stations started and extended to 03 more stations. 1998 transmission of PTV World program started. 1998 up to 06 production centers, Lahore, Karachi, Kuwata, Peshawar, Islamabad I and Islamabad II. 35 rebroadcast stations in operation for PTV 1. 16 rebroadcast stations in operation for PTV2. PTV Home, population covered, 89.00%. PTV News, population covered, 78%. A lot of PTV plays and documentaries have been provided to foreign countries through ministries and our missions abroad on gratis basis for the projection of Pakistan and its people, which have been liked by them, and later on they have purchased several selected PTV programs. PTV has recently provided the satellite facilities to foreign agencies with regard to nuclear tests and earned approximately $0.4 million. In 1999, PTV entered the digital satellite television arena and launched PTV World on China's AsiaSat-1 satellite. Training Academy established in 1987. Pakistan Television Academy is an apex institution in the country, which imparts professional training in various disciplines of television broadcast technology. PTV Bolan was launched on August 14, 2005. Bolan channel would promote the rich cultural heritage of Balochistan province and provides entertainment and information to the people in Balochi, Pashto and Brahui languages. In 1988, Shalimar Television Network, STN, formed as a public-private partnership, began transmitting CNN rebroadcasts under agreement. In 1990 it signed on an airtime sales agreement with MS Network Television Marketing, NTM. NTM's use of STN's terrestrial boosters spread across Pakistan, contributed to its success, especially with the launch of some hit family drama serials, projecting a more realistic contemporary lifestyle. NTM had singers and musicians performing live on television and facilitated the emergence of private production houses, a milestone in the evolution of TV in Pakistan. In 2000, the Indus television network was launched as Pakistan's first independent satellite channel. Its main purpose was to create an alternative for Pakistani audiences who were glued to Indian soaps and feature films. RE Digital was launched September 11, 2001, which is owned by the RE Gold Group. The launch of RE Digital satisfied the sponsor's political needs. Jio TV, Pakistan's one of the largest television channel, was launched in August 2002 and coincided with general elections organized by the Musharraf government. Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority established in 2002 to 2003. The country's first English-language news channel, Dawn News, started test transmissions in May 2007 and went live in July the same year. Express 24/7, the only other English-language television channel to be established in Pakistan, remained the only 24-hour English-language news channel in Pakistan until its closure in November 2011. In the 20 years since private TV channels began operating, television has become the dominant medium and the medium of choice, not just for accessing news but also infotainment and entertainment content. Only the channels of the state-run PTV use terrestrial transmission, which has enabled PTV to maintain its domination of rural TV audiences. Private TV channels are only authorized to broadcast content by cable and satellite and not via terrestrial transmitters. That has contributed to a smaller footprint for the private television channels in rural Pakistan. In this digital era, Pakistani youth mostly watch transmission on internet, but women, still the largest group, is watching traditional TV channels for dramas. This is the history and development TV in Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.